Mizzo Endo 4000. Not just a robotic system, a complete ecosystem.
For us in R&D, this journey was deeply personal. It started as a dream to build something of our own.
From an R&D vision to a fully realized surgical platform, Mizzo Endo 4000 was built to make advanced robotic surgery accessible and relevant for surgeons and patients.
We spent time in operating rooms, listened to doctors, understood their struggles, and tried to solve problems that mattered to them and their patients.
Every component was developed with a focus on safety, stability, consistency, and repeatability, ensuring reliable performance.
Today, as we take this technology beyond India to the world, it carries with it
Passion,
the confidence
science, collaboration, and disciplined manufacturing,
and the spirit of our people.
continuing to evolve with the commitment to deliver.
It is not just a robotic system. It is a reflection of our journey, our belief, and our commitment to make advanced surgical care accessible to more patients everywhere.
Standing true to innovation.